A video collection of irresistible dogs and cats, adorable and lovable furry friends. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so Mr. Cat is trying to get inside the cabinet. Maybe has found a nice sleeping place for him inside, but if the shoe doesn't fit, he can't fit inside the cabinet. So he needs to shed some pounds, obviously, if he wants to sleep there.
I need some chips. Who's that?
Oh, that's a big cat.
This is my manager.
Oh.
Yo manager. Whoa, bakara.
So he can understand some exotic language. That cat can understand some exotic language.
It's pistachio ice
What a
cream.
cutie catty. Look at that. He loves ice cream, apparently. And he runs off. And this is a beautiful cat, as it appears, and it looks like a cat from an animation film. Okay.
Cooper, can you please
What,
tell me what you did
chubby
all day
cat
while I
again.
was at work?
Very
I
calm
told you to vacuum
cat.
the living
This is,
room.
yeah, beautiful cat we have here. Another orange cat.
You have a crooked nose on the side view for me.
Still beautiful. Whoa,
I was just
cat with an
kidding.
attitude. Yeah, she's a bad cat. Hey, this is the dancing cat, famous dancing cat of the internet, and showing some, beats, showing some groove, hip hop cat. Yeah, you can hang with the best, that cat. Wow.
Excuse me, sir. I've been wondering if you've found Jesus. Oh my god. He's missing?
Cat
What?
versus
No,
cat.
Not, like literally. Have you tried Amber Alert?
It's
Because I
a
saw that
religious
shit in
cat
a movie once
versus
and they
a
found her.
sci-
No, I mean like spiritually.
science-based
like
cat.
ghosts and shit? Nah, I don't fuck with that. I played with a Ouija board once. I know what you're trying to do. I'm not falling for it.
Yeah, cool. Oh my, look at the condition of this cat. He looks kind of defeated. Look at that cat. He needs a home. And he got one. It's a beautiful cat, nonetheless. Look at that beautiful cat. And a tame one, too. Now, he looks kind of happy with his new condition, new situation in life. Look at that cat. Now, it feels better, I guess. But still. Wow, beautiful outcome. Oh, someone's in trouble. Someone's in trouble? Is he in trouble? No. He's just, testing his vocal cords. That's a talented cat.
Someone needs to
Whoa,
explain.
this is the first time I saw a
seriously.
swimming cat.
Someone needs to explain why
Look at that
in the world
beautiful stroke.
is my cat so cute?
It's a beautiful thing in the
I will
pool.
summon him again. He has
The
arrived.
orange chubby
Have
cat.
you been eating horse? Because your breath smells like
This
horse.
cat talks back.
Did you brush your teeth today?
That kind of understands, voice.
Alright, so many people have asked
That's a big
how
cat.
we named Sir Pounce.
Sir Pounce.
And he came with the name. We
Dang.
adopted him from two
It's a
college
very
kids
aggressive cat
that
you have
couldn't
there.
have him anymore. And he came with the name.
Dang. Cat called the cat whisperer. Whoa, what a beautiful cat. Oh, with thick hair. Time to trim that cat? Yup. Whoa, matted cat. I didn't know that. So gotta trim those hair off. And voila, wow, this is a beautiful cat. That's a big, bunch of hair there. Whoa, what a cutie. Look at this cutie puppy. What's wrong, cutie puppy? That's one of the cutest sounds I've heard in a long time. Okay, trying to invade the space of your dog. Will he kind of resist? Nah, it's a dog. What a fur ball. That's a fur ball. Fur ball that, grew eyes and, beautiful. Look at that. Fluffy, yeah. That's the right word for it.
Paw.
This is an Australian. Oh, this is a German Shepherd. This is a German Shepherd. Smart German Shepherd. Okay, so a blind pug. This is a blind pug. What's wrong, Mr. Blind Pug? Oh, so that he won't bump on things. Excellent invention. Yeah, that will improve his quality of life tremendously. Excellent invention. Okay, waiting for some instructions.
Get drink.
These are really, the Mensa dogs.
Here.
Look at that.
Here.
Whoa,
Thank you.
very smart dogs.
Thank you.
Yep, very helpful.
Later.
And yeah, very helpful dogs and very useful dogs. This is a baby pug that you could fit inside your hoodie. Wow, look at that. He's all snug inside.